Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Matt Jensen from Tapestry of Africa Tours and Safaris. Thanks for viewing our video today and thanks for checking out our channel. As always, we are very grateful when you choose to subscribe to our channel and even more grateful when you share it with others. So tap that subscribe button. We'd love to keep bringing you amazing content from Africa as well as helpful tips and tricks when you're considering a safari to Africa. Today, we're talking about travel and tourist visas and which ones you need, if you need them, when going on your safari to Africa. Okay, so you've booked your trip to Africa, you're ready to go on safari, and now you're starting the daunting task of visas, vaccinations, and all of the other paperwork and items that you need to check off in order to get to Africa. One overriding tip I want you to understand before you go to any of these countries is to make sure that you apply on the websites we provide. There are many third-party websites that will charge you more and take longer as they act as a mediator. We're going to give you the direct links to the actual government websites so you can pay the least amount and get it back in the fastest amount of time. Let's start with Kenya. Kenya has done an incredible job of making the obtaining of a tourist visa so easy. They now call their visas an electronic travel authorization, or ETA. Here's the website I'm going to put on the screen that goes directly to Kenya's Department of Immigration, where you can apply directly with their department and you'll get your ETA back within 3 to 4 days at the longest, sometimes even sooner. Here's what you need when you apply for your Kenya ETA. You need a copy of your hotel stay or your proof of safari booking. You need to take a selfie picture about the size of a passport, and you need to upload your passport, a picture of your passport page, as well as have your airline itinerary in a PDF, a JPEG, a screenshot, something. You can even do this on your phone if you have screenshots or mobile versions of all of these documents, and you'll get your visa very quickly. Most of the time, if you're going to Kenya within that 90 days, you only need a single entry visa, even though you might be there in and out a couple of times while visiting different countries. Let's talk about Tanzania. Now, Tanzania has two options when you visit. You can do an online visa, just like Kenya, or they do visa on arrival. So if you're comfortable reading about that, you can actually fill in the form when you get to the border, the airport, or whatever it is, and you can get your visa on arrival. But if you'd rather be more prepared for that, here's the link to the direct website of the Tanzanian Government Immigration Authority so you can apply directly with them. And they'll get you a tourist visa usually within 5 to 7 days online, but the application can be a little bit more daunting. You need to know the names of your port of entries if you're going by land or by sea, and it can get a little bit difficult. But here at Tapestry of Africa, we will help you step by step obtain that visa. So whether you want to get it in advance or you want to get it on arrival, it's up to you. Let's talk about Uganda. Uganda also requires a tourist visa before arriving and must be obtained online. Here is the application to go directly to Uganda's tourism authority so that you can get your visa online. It requires the same information as Kenya and Tanzania: your passport, a picture of your passport page, a photo of yourself, your airline, and your either hotel or your safari confirmation.